Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and before we start, credits to World of Stands for this cool Killer Queen model right here, and also credits to Balloon Master 2000 for this cool sheer heart attack mesh. Alright, so today's giveaway video and the tutorial video in 2 days, they're going to be about pilot stand abilities. Alright, so I've just decided to show this concept of pilot stand abilities on this sheer heart attack right here, okay? But you can also try to create your own pilot stand abilities with this concept I'm going to present to you in 2 days. Alright, that being said, link is in the Discord server, so link to the models in the Discord server, and the invite link to the Discord server is also in the description. There's also a link to my second channel. I would really love to see you there on my second channel, guys. With that being said, enjoy.